Hey, check it out, guys. I come to you. I just wanted to show you this beauty. But I come to you with a cool event that we are doing. And I say we because we are all doing it, baby. June 20th at 9 a.m. I would love to meet all you guys at the Indian Motorcycle Factory in Spirit Lake, Iowa, where we are going to be able to tour the factory. We're going to be able to hang out and do our thing, all the good stuff, right? And I gotta say that I'm going to ride out there. Obviously, we're all going to meet. People are going to meet. But we're going to have food provided by Tna Customs. He's providing pizza. And then we're going to do the tour, 15-minute increments, whatever. I don't know. But we're going to do it. And there's going to be a lot of us. So here's the thing. Afterwards, they have a car museum in Spirit Lake. I heard is pretty cool. I don't know. I've never been there. But I'm going to get a hotel that night so we can do camaraderie and community cool stuff. I'm putting a link below to the hotel. There's a lot of hotels, so if this is not your style of hotel, you don't have to stay there. I know people that already picked other places. But here's the thing. In the evening, I'm freaking psyched to say that we have booked Leaving Hope. They're probably most known for winning the Battle of the Bands last year, and they kicked off the Sturgis Motorcycle Rally last year at the Buffalo Chip. After winning Battle of the Bands, have been killing it in the Minneapolis area, Minnesota region, and I'm just hyped to say that they're coming. You've probably heard some of their music if you've paid any attention to the intro. So that is June 20th, and then the evening that's going to go on June 21st. Now here's the catch. We're in Spirit Lake, Iowa. We wake up all fresh-eyed and bushy-tailed, and we do a giant group ride to Mason City Powersports. That's the Indian motorcycle dealership in Mason City, where they're going to be flipping burgers and rolling hot dogs, I think. And anyway, more community, finally a big group ride. And then from there, after lunch, everybody can start parting their own ways. It's just a time for us to hang out, but also see how motorcycles just like this one have been built or are being built. Obviously, this one is the old Scout. It is not being built anymore, but you got the idea. I've never been to the factory tour. I'm excited to go. I'm excited to hang with you guys. And so I want to shout out TNA for sponsoring this event. And then also Leaving Hope, baby, live music. Who does this? Who does this? So anyway, guys, that is that. I'm trying to think if there's any cool stuff. Oh, I do know. I'm going to be asking, the tour is technically free, but I'm going to be asking for $50. And I don't really turn people away, but I'd love to get $50 from everybody. And I'm going to donate that to Folds of Honor. We get to do cool things. So let's also use these opportunities to help out people and families in the Folds of Honor. As we know from last year, I work with them a lot. I have now become friendly, and I get to see what they do. And I'm happy to say we're going to work with them again. So I hope to see you guys there. IMRGs from all over the Midwest are planning on being there. So if you don't know about this, talk to your local IMRG. And maybe more people want to come. We do have the one hotel booked now. I'll have the information below, but feel free to stay anywhere. And no matter where you stay, come to my hotel. I think it's called the Travelodge in Spirit Lake, where the entertainment's going to be. We're all going to be hanging out. And I already talked to the owner, and he is okay with us taking over his parking lot. So, all right, guys, really quick one. It's more about come out to this event. I'm going to put a link to the event on Facebook in the description or maybe the comments. I hope you guys get a chance to go in there. It helps us with a head count. And yeah, guys, I'm super pumped. The season is here for riding. And I've always wanted to do this tour. So now I get to do it with you guys. We get to have a great time. We're going to eat some pizza. Everybody's coming. Kevin is coming. BC Customs is coming. My wife from RydeCulture is coming. Angelo from TNA is coming. We got Justin from Motak is coming. Leaving Hope is lead singer. He is riding out. with us, we got people everywhere coming. Multiple 6 IMRGs, last I counted, are having group rides to come. So this is going to be really the kickoff, baby. So without anything else, leave a comment below if this something interests you. It just helps push this video, and as well as all of that, I want to chat with you guys more about it. Any other ideas? Maybe we could pull it together. We still got a little bit of time. So until next time, ride hard, ride fast, and say hi to somebody you don't know. Peace.